It's snowing on Revelstoke Mountain Resort on the 29th of September, the last weekend of the summer season. Winter is around the corner. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long hiatus. We'll talk about all of that some other time, but this is an autumn snow report. We are roughly 60 days away from the opening of the ski season here in Revelstoke. I hope you're excited as I am. The opening date is tentatively set for November the 30th, which is not a long way away. It will be there very soon, and if the weather has anything to go by, winter will be here before you know it. So what is the conditions up here today? Well, the freezing level is sitting at around 1800, which is pretty low. We have had some flurries across the mountain. Today the forecast is only about 1 centimetre, but it is something to get excited about, with us wanting to have a really good year. Let's be honest, the last winter and the one previous to that here in Canada, we didn't have your typical British Columbia big season, and I'm hoping for that now. All the local superstitions are talking up a big winter right now. Everybody's pretty optimistic. It's awesome to see fresh snow on Montana Ball there behind me, and then you've also got Cartier across the way. You're not going to be able to see it right now, but Begbie and McPherson also have fresh snow as well. Forecast looking over the next couple of days is similar. A little bit of cold with some spritterings of flurries, and what we really want here, guys, is for that to continue to increase throughout the next couple of months. What's really positive is that we've had a lot of moisture in the last couple of weeks, so as things turn colder, that's really going to help the ground with creating a solid snowpack. That was a big issue in the last 2 winters, which led to a lot of avalanche conditions later on. I'm hoping to bring you more snow reports as we go into that autumn month. I've been enjoying a lot of hiking as well, so this is where I am right now, right on the top of the Stoke climb. Altitude, we're a little over 2,000 meters, I think, right now. So yeah, it's chilly, got the full layers on, but just wanted to jump in and say hello to you guys. It's great to be back. Going to get into the swing of things. I want to hear from you though. Let me know, do you have a trip planned to Revelstoke this winter? Let me know in the comments. If you're not coming to Revelstoke, where are you going this year? I want to hear from you either way, and you'll be seeing a lot more of me very soon. Cheers guys, take care.